Hello guys, welcome to today's video. This is Boston's also. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can start earning some ATH rather, from this app called Athene. If you think mining is a waste of time, then ask those that mine the eyes and Avive. They make a lot of money when the apps distribute part of their coin to the community. So guys, I don't want you to slack on this. As you can see right here, we have about 15 days for the coin to be distributed right now. So guys, don't waste time on this. So what you will do is, the first thing to do is to click the link in the description below this video. The first link will take you directly to where you can download the app from your app store. Okay, so once you have done with that, download and install the app, and you verified your the link sent to you to verify the account, just come down right here and click on this profile icon right here. So once you click on it, you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see where you will enter your referral ID. So just click, this is my own referral ID, just copy and paste this referral ID right there, so you will be able to join my network. Okay, so once you join my network, you'll be able to mine together. Your mining rate will increase so as mine too. Okay, so guys, don't waste time on this. Just copy the referral code right here, as you can see it right here, and paste it right there on your profile. Okay, you profit on your profile. So once you are done with that, you can start mining. So as you can see, the days I have mining is just 14 days right here. You can see 14 days right here. Okay, right here. Okay, right here. You can see I've been mining for 14 days straight up. And what you do is that every 24 hours, come down here and click this button to receive. Every 24 hours, right here, I've done today's task by receiving. I've received, as you can see right here, you can see that today I received 65 of the ATH. Okay, then every just click down right, just click this button right here. Every 6 hours, just come down and claim this. As you can see right now, if I claim this, you will see how many hours will remain for me, will be left for me to claim the next coin of this, to claim this coin. As you can see, every hour I earn 1.664 of the ATH coin. So every hour, just every 6 hours, you'll be able to claim this coin. So I'm just going to, all I just need to do is to click on the claim button, and you see I have claimed. As you can see right here, it's claimed. I've claimed for today. So right here, as you can see, congratulations, my account has been upgraded. Okay, as you can see now, I have my next claiming will be the next 12 hours. That's 11 hours 59 seconds. So next thing, now I'll go back to my home to see that I have been upgraded to level 9. Currently, before formerly it was level 8. Now since I claimed that, I've been upgraded to level 9. So guys, don't waste time on this. Just keep claiming, keep mining this coin. Okay, and another ability about this app is when you come down right here, you see your wallet, because they have their own internal wallet. As you can see right here, you see the amount of ATH I've been able to claim, and the number of amount of gem I've claimed right here, 1,300 gem, and the ATH, the native coin of it, is 96. And you can, just like every other wallet, you can send, you can receive, you can check your history, you can also stake, and you can withdraw to other wallet or exchanges. Okay, so guys, don't waste time on this, don't slack on this, because this is going to be massive. And one other thing again to do, for you to do, is you click down right here, come in, okay, you click right here, this button right here, to take you to the number of referral. As you can see right here, I only have 2 complete referral that have completed their profile, and today I have not referred anybody. Okay, so you see the total number of people you've referred, and the earnings, the referral commission you get will see them right. You will see everything right here. So once if you guest and receive reward, you will be able to claim, see all those you refer and receive your reward right here. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Don't waste time on this. Just click the link in the description below this video and download this app and start mining. Okay, so guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do that by hitting this subscribe button below this video. And if you like the content I share in this channel, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, thanks for watching, and till my next video, stay active. Bye for now.